Alright, finally get ready to get this fixed. Boy, if I would have caught that right there, I could have saved myself $1,000. But I don't know if he's gonna want to do this in the shade. Yep. $1,000. I would have been just a little more diligent, I wouldn't be paying $1,000. So, might have to have BMW do it after all, because he was saying that the aftermarket glass, the hood comes out kind of blurry, and this thing has rain sensor. It's got some of everything in it. Some satellite stuff, some lane departure stuff, cameras, speed sensors. I didn't think they could really do it. I mean, it's gonna cost me $1,000 either way. So if it's tricky, I'd rather just let BMW do it and let the insurance company fight it out.
A few moments later.
Alright, so he said that insurance most likely wouldn't cover it unless it came back as a failed installation. The other thing is, since it is aftermarket, there is a chance that the camera won't recalibrate either. So we could put in the request for OEM and see if they approve it, just because you have heads-up display, and request and see if they would. If not, we'd still have to go with aftermarket and then pray it works. And then if it doesn't, then we can pretty much force their hand to pay for it.
Oh, shit, I don't want to do that.
Yeah. So I can talk to them and see if we can get in a request for OEM that just saves you from having to, me pulling the glass, putting one in, and then it not working, and then someone coming out and have to put in the OEM. Plus, it takes 2 to 3 days for an OEM approval.
Yeah, I don't want them. I mean, so it's up to the insurance company, is what
Pretty
you're
much,
saying.
yeah. Unless you want to pay out of pocket, and the glass, I think OEM BMW glass with all of this stuff was about $1,000.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Why would I want to pay out of pocket?
And it shows that you're going through your insurance on this, correct?
Yep,
What's your deductible?
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay 1,000 regardless.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay 1,000 whether you do it or whether BMW do it.
Yeah. So, I mean, I can try with the aftermarket glass, just know that there is a chance that it will not work. It won't recalibrate, or the heads-up display could be jaggedy.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, so you want to...
Yeah, I talked to the insurance company. I don't want to do that.
Okay, well, we put in the request unless you want to personally talk to them.
I want to personally talk to them
Okay.
and see if they just let BMW do it. Because I'd rather do it one swipe.
Yeah, no, we put in OEM glass, so we can do all of that. BMW's going to charge you the ass to do it, pardon my French, but they'll charge you plus $1,500.
Well, I'm only going to pay $1,000 though.
Yeah.
I'm going to pay $1,000 regardless.
Yeah.
That's my point.
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying. I'm just
So
saying.
it's up to the insurance company. I'd rather, with a car like this, I'd rather it just be done.
BMW?
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah. Cut and dry. I don't want to,
Listen, I'm right there with you. I don't want to have to come back out here and do it all over again. Just waste your time, like I said.
Yeah. Let me talk to them and see what they say.
And then I'll give my company a heads up. I'll let them know that you're talking to your insurance, and if they want to talk to them too, we got a little bit more pull with them since we directly work with them.
Oh, okay.
Like I've got OEM in a 2010 vehicle because they had to have a specific piece of glass, and insurance wasn't going to cover it, and then they called like, no, you got to do this, or this glass won't work. Safety features. That's the main key. If it doesn't work, I could get into an accident, yada yada yada. Then you're reliable because you denied me OEM glass. No, if you know how to work the insurance, they'll give you what you want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But other than that, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't want to stick in a piece of glass and you not be satisfied.
Yeah. Nah.
I'll give my company a call. I'll
Okay.
let them know, and then they'll probably put in an OEM approval request. It takes 3 days just to get it back, and then we got to order the part from you. Other than that, do you have any questions?
Nope.
right.
Nope. Appreciate you coming out.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks
Sorry
a lot.
about that, man.
All right.
You want to close this door?
No, I'm finna do something on that side. Yeah. I'm finna go ahead and call their ass.